Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another day with the project. You can see the tail lights is finally on. The car is basically finished. We have a few things to go over. Before I get to that, I wanted to stop and thank everyone for subscribing. We're at about 410 subscribers, trying to aim for the 1,000 subscribers. So that's about what 590 left. If you can subscribe, share the video, share it with your friends, have them subscribe, leave a comment, drop a like. It helps with the algorithm. It lets other people see the video. Certain videos are booming, certain videos are not. So hopefully we can get out there and provide you guys with more content. The IS300 is just at the beginning of the phase. This is not the finished product of the IS300. I have way more ideas in mind. This is just to kind of have the car on the road as I need a second vehicle. So let's get to this video and show you guys what we're working with. Alright, so we're back at it with the spinning castle nut. So I got myself a nut splitter. Hilarious, right? But yeah, it's from Craftsman's. I got it at Lowe's, and I've been pretty much chipping away. So you can see the damage there. It's also damaging this. So we're gonna try to remove it. It must be damaged. And I also figured out I had the control arms put on wrong. Let me explain. So I have this bottom piece on there, right? Which is supposed to be in the top. But I remember when I tried to do that and it wasn't going through because the bottom ball joint wasn't holding it, so it would just pop out. So I decided to put it at the bottom, which I didn't understand because all three holes wasn't getting filled up. Turns out I was putting the top screws in the wrong place. They were supposed to be in the bottom, so let's do that as well. Let's see what else we can hopefully we can salvage this, but I'm planning already ordering a set of these, so let's see what we can do. So this is the damage after the nut splitter. So I've been using a flathead to kind of like pry it out. I do have a pry tool, but I don't think it's the right one. Anyways, so this is the damage. I had to do it like 3 times from like different angles so that way it can get loose. Because the first time I did it, it wasn't budging. So that's what I'm doing now. Let's see. Yeah, that's not working. There you go. Alright, so I just got it off. Let's investigate. So this is the damage. Sheesh. It took a while actually to take it off. I had to use vice grips after because it just wouldn't come off. And then I had so much very limited space to kind of move it around with or bang it with a pry tool. So yeah. Yeah, it looks messed up in there. Let me see. I think zooming in, it's not the best. Right there, it kind of looks like it's messed up. Like it's even a little warped. Oh, that's me, I think. Let's see. I think right there. Then again, it's hard to tell because after me damaging it. Let me see if I can inspect it. Alright, and then let's look here. Let's clean this up. The nut splitter did affect it a little, well, a lot of it, I think. Yeah. It ruined it. I don't think another one's gonna get in there. I'm definitely gonna order new ones. It's messed up down here. I'm not sure how though. Not sure how this happened because I didn't even drive the car. See it there? I don't know what happened that made it get stuck, honestly. But one of my, cause I first did it by hand with the nut, and then I used a ratchet, and then I used a impact gun, which from what I read and people commenting on my posts, that was the big no-no to not do. So I don't know. Hey guys, so we're back to continue the video. We just received the package from Godspeed for the ball joints. It took about, I want to say it's Thursday, 3 days. I ordered it last Friday. We're not counting Labor Day. It's Thursday now. So I was just messaging them too to find out if they sent it. So yeah, it came in. They haven't responded to me yet. They only responded with what was my order number, and I didn't get one because I paid with PayPal. So yeah, we got it. Let's open this real quick. Okay, we got it. Comes in this eBay. I don't know, bro. That's a little weird to me because I didn't even order it on eBay. I ordered it through Godspeed's website, so that's weird. But okay, let me open this real quick. Okay, and there they are. I'm about to say, I'm like, there's just one. There's the set. Alright, so we have the set here. Okay, and let's install them. Alright guys, so we're back another day. We have great news. We got the car registered. So we're good to go with insurance. Secondly, we got the ball joint removed. Let me see. Oh no, wait, it's still attached. I also recorded that we got the new ones in. So this is the new one. Right now I'm just repainting the spindle because it did take some damage trying to bang it out. So some black, or I would say some of the paint of the silver was coming off. So I just resprayed it one more time. That's why this bag is here. Alright, so we got them off. So that's the ball joint that was giving me issues. I'll ruin the ball joint anyways. It was already ruined. I used this pry bar, and I also used the puller. I used it from the back to try to bring it down. It didn't line up to the stud. It kind of went sideways, but I still used it and it popped off. So thankfully we got that. So let's remove this and add the new one in while we let this dry. Okay, so we got it semi-installed. Let's lock them in. And finally we got it done. We got it replaced. Boom, beautiful. Okay, we're back with another day. Got my Starbucks. And today, well, first of all, let me start off by saying we have the car on the road. I drove it yesterday. Amazing. Try to put some videos if I can. I was just one person, so I couldn't get like an outside video, an exterior video of it. But yeah, looks like it drives well. Seems to still be rubbing in the front, so I guess I would have to wait for the alignment to kind of camber it a little bit more. Let me see if I can show you guys. So this is how the rear looks, and then the front, I don't know if you can see it. That's the front over there. See if I can show you guys at an angle. So that's maxed out on the upper control arms. So I'm gonna need to take it to an alignment, and hopefully they can, you know, camber it a little bit more. Now we have to work on the passenger side because I did a new move. I installed the control arms a little bit incorrectly, so I'm gonna go fix that. I'll show you guys what I messed up on. In addition to that, I'm gonna try to bleed the brakes with my wife. She's gonna pump the brakes, and I'm gonna try to bleed them out. I might need to make another stop to get some more brake fluid, but let's see. Okay, so the plate is right here. I had this plate on top of this ball joint. The screws, I had it from the top going down. So this is the correct way. Screws going in the bottom, plate going on top. And yeah, that was my dilemma before. So this is the correct way to do it. I messed up before, but you live and learn. So here it is now. Now I'm able to screw in all the 3 screws because I only had 4 in total, and now I have 6. And now I'm able to camber it a little bit more because it was also not cambered all the way. And here she is. Alright guys, so that was all of it. That's all for now. Please leave a like or drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys for sticking with me, seeing the process, and now everything is kind of coming alive right now. So I'm gonna have way more content to provide now since the car is running. More stuff to come. Just subscribe and wait till more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.